Ramadan Mubarak sa lahat. Diyos ko, ang kulot ng buhok ko. Musilip. Flowers in the morning. It's Monday morning and it's Ramadan time. So, kailangan na natin kumain sa bahay before we go to work. At itong ulam natin, meron tayong itlog and meron tayong beef. It's beef, guys. So, let's eat para meron tayong pang-upload. Jewel, kain. Nagsain ako. Nandun. Ah! Ha? Hindi ko inano? Ano ba to? Wait. Inan ko kaya? Shoutout ulit sa Premier Queen ng kain Bayanggo daw. Shoutout Team Love, Team Pilim. Shoutout to my English friends. You know who you are. Shoutout to everybody. Basta shout out. Shout out everyone. Oh.